ChatGPT is going to replace your graphic designer. I'm going to show some use cases that especially YouTubers can use. Let's say you want to recreate some thumbnail. It is very simple. Click on these three dots, write create image, attach the thumbnail that you want to replicate. Let's say I want to recreate this thumbnail by Mr. Beast. And then I'm going to attach my face because I want my face to be on that thumbnail. Recreate a thumbnail in pic 1 with the person in pic 2 and press enter. ChatGPT here has given me this thumbnail. Now let's say I want to change the shark to a whale. ChatGPT has given a whale now, but the mouth of the whale is closed and it is not looking like I am fearing from it. So let's say give another prompt. Open the whale's mouth like it is about to eat the person in the image. Ta-da! And here it is. Now let's say I'm not copying somebody else's. I have drawn a rough sketch. I'm going to use it to generate a thumbnail. Again, press here, write this prompt. The attached image contains a rough sketch of a cricketer Dhoni hitting a six. This is the thumbnail for top sixes by Dhoni in cricket. I want you to generate a hyper-realistic thumbnail referring the attached image. Let's attach the image now. And this is the image I'm attaching. Now let's press enter. And ChatGPT has given me this image. Now the image looks little squarish. So we are going to ask for a 16:9 aspect ratio. And I've asked ChatGPT for 16:9 ratio. And it has given me this image. Now it is not perfectly 16:9. But you can bring it over in another tool like Canva and crop it and make it 16:9. The next use case is creating lower thirds. You must have seen some text below here on my video. Those are also generated by ChatGPT 4.0. Creating lower thirds. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, create a text master art of thumbnails for lower thirds for my YouTube video. I have mentioned the color code here. That is the same color that is used on my profile pic on this YouTube channel. With a glow effect, do not generate background behind text. This is very important because I do not want any background behind the text so that I can use it, overlay it on my video. And here it is. This is the lower third that ChatGPT has given me. Now it is not aligned properly, so I'll have to give more instructions. The text is small in a single line. Fit it at the lowermost part of the image, regenerate. And it has given me this thumbnail now. Master the art of thumbnail. The next use case is creating custom icons. Certain YouTubers using custom icon. Those icons aren't seen on anybody else's channel because they are made by the graphic designer specially for them. You can ask ChatGPT to create such type of icons for your YouTube video. Generate icons related to following text. Use the color, the same color code I am asking with the glow effect. Following are the text. Master the art of thumbnails. Copy, analyze and improve your thumbnail. These are all the timestamps on this video itself. You can see these are subtopics from this video itself. And ask it to generate. ChatGPT here has given me these thumbnails. Now these also don't have any backgrounds. You can crop it anyhow you want in your videos and put it. I'm using these same icons in this video that you are watching. Okay, let's see. This was the thumbnail I generated and you did not like the face. Like ChatGPT is not giving 100% accurate face of the attached images. This is my photo. But it does not look like me. Maybe it has 30% of my features. What you can do is download it. Go to this website. You have to drag your own image here. I'm going to post my image. I have attached my image here and then drag and drop the new. This was the thumbnail and upload and start. Now it has generated a thumbnail that is closer to my real face. Another use case is with Sora. It is ChatGPT 4.0's image and video generation model. I'm going to show you the images that I have used to create videos from them. See, these are the videos I have created. You can see the prompt, a 2D cartoon comic. I had used another application to generate images for this video. And those images I had attached here and then asked Sora to give me videos. Let's see, I'll show you an example. Uploads an image from the device. So I've attached this image here. Now I'm asking for the video. Make sure to select video here. 16:9 ratio. For now I'm showing 480p, but you can generate 720p video also. It is generally a 5-second video. You can also choose 10 seconds. The longer you choose, the longer time it will take to generate. Now just give an instruction. Just animate the single C. Now it is going to give me a video just like this one. And it gives it with a logo unless you buy another upgraded plan. this logo watermark won't be there. Just crop the watermark. You can still use it. Likewise, I'll show you other videos that I've created. See, this also was a single image and I generated a video here. This is another one. A 2D cartoon comic close-up of Fox's face. His eyes widen as he spots something ahead. Then this video, he's making a jump and he falls down. I have also created another video showing how to create moral story videos. Please check that out. Then there's also another video showing how to create true crime videos. And in that, I have used Sora only. I have given a step-by-step process right from scripting to generating the final video. I hope you like this videos. Make sure to give a thumbs up. Comment down if you have any questions for me. See you in the next video. Thank you.